Just tried fishing down by the jetty, but it is windy. So, gonna head around to the little estuary, see if we can't get onto something there. Might be a bit more sheltered. Righto, my little favourite spot, a bit more protected down here. The tide is running out, and I cannot walk fast enough down to this water. What a cracker of a day. It's a bit blowy out, the tide's running out, so we're just walking across these flats, just see if we can do a bit of spot fishing here, see what's around. Got the safety crocs on, seeing what we can find. It's starting to get a little bit deep here, and you can see there's a bit of a channel up here where this starts to get a bit darker. Something just absolutely chomped that. You want to take your time when putting these on, just get it done right, otherwise there's not much point doing it. Anyway, there we go. Now we've got a new plastic on. Let's try our luck and see if that fish is still hanging around. Let the wind take it out. Just where we want to be. That wind is picking up.